Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 hot AI niches that are blowing up on YouTube right now. If you're planning to start an AI channel or switch to an AI niche, these ideas can help you attract more views and lots of subscribers and even make you more money online. Let's get started. The first AI niche is AI tutorials. Millions of people are searching for simple guides on how to use AI tools for work, business, school, and content creation. You can create tutorials on ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Canva AI, Microsoft Copilot, and many other AI tools. Beginners are always looking for easy step-by-step lessons. Show people how to write with AI, create presentations, summarize documents, answer emails, and automate daily tasks. These videos get consistent searches. The second hot AI niche is making money with AI. People want practical ways to earn income using AI, and they're actively searching for trusted information. You can teach people how to use AI for freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering online services. These topics usually attract a lot of interest. The third AI niche is AI video creation. More creators now want to make videos without expensive cameras or editing software. Teach viewers how to create talking avatars, AI voiceovers, animated videos, and realistic videos using popular AI platforms. This niche is growing very fast. The fourth AI niche is AI image generation. Businesses, students, and content creators all need high-quality images, and AI can help them create these quickly. You can show people how to create logos, thumbnails, social media posts, product photos, and realistic images using AI. These tutorials are always in demand. The fifth AI niche is AI productivity. People want AI to save time, work smarter, and automate repetitive tasks. You can teach viewers how AI can organize emails, summarize meetings, plan projects, and manage daily tasks more efficiently. These 5 AI niches continue to grow because millions of people are looking for practical AI solutions every day. If you're just starting, don't try to cover every AI topic. Pick one niche and become known for it. Don't be jack of all trades. Consistently posting useful AI content will help YouTube understand your channel and recommend your videos to the right audience. Always test new AI tools before recommending them. This helps you give honest reviews and build trust with your viewers. Don't only explain AI tools. Show real examples and practical demonstrations so your audience can easily follow along. Keep your videos simple, especially for beginners. Avoid using technical terms that might confuse new viewers. Upload videos whenever major AI tools release new features. Early tutorials usually attract more views because people are searching for them. Use searchable titles like How to Use Gemini AI or Best Free AI Tools for Beginners. Good titles help your videos appear in search results. Create eye-catching thumbnails that clearly show the AI tool you're talking about. A strong thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Answer questions from your viewers in future videos. This gives you endless content ideas and builds a loyal community. Don't be afraid to compare AI tools. People love videos that help them choose the best option. Comparison in this case is a good one. Review newly released AI tools before everyone else. Early reviews often perform very well on YouTube. The earlier, the better. Teach viewers free alternatives to expensive AI tools. People are always looking for ways to save money. Share your AI videos on Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and other platforms to reach more people. Reply to comments and ask viewers which AI tool they want you to cover next. This keeps your audience engaged. If you stay consistent and provide valuable AI content, your channel can grow faster than you expect. Choose one of these 5 AI niches today and start creating your first video. The best time to begin is now. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Ome Unfiltered TV for more AI tutorials, smartphone tips, and online money-making ideas. Turn on the notification so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!